Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Indo-Tibetan Border Police? Correct answer is option B, Shatrujit Singh Kapoor. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board in January 2026? Correct answer is option C, A.K. Balasubramanian. Who has been appointed as the Director General of the Border Security Force? Correct answer is option C, Praveen Kumar. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the National Investigation Agency? Correct answer is option C, Rakesh Agrawal. Who has been appointed as Vigilance Commissioner in the Central Vigilance Commission in December 2025? Correct answer is option B, Praveen Vasisht. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of the Uttarakhand High Court? Correct answer is option D, Justice Manoj Kumar Gupta. Who has taken charge as the chairman of the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs in November 2025? Correct answer is option A, Vivek Chaturvedi. Who has been elected as the chair of the Badminton World Federation Athletes Commission for the 2026 to 2029 term? Correct answer is option C, PV Sindhu. Who has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of Coal India Limited? Correct answer is option B, B. Sai Ram. Who has been elected as the first woman president of the Press Club of India? Correct answer is option A, Sangeeta Barua Pisharoti. Who was appointed as India's new Chief Information Commissioner in December 2025? Correct answer is option C, Rajkumar Goyal. Who took oath as the 53rd Chief Justice of India in November 2025? Correct answer is option A, Justice Suryakant. Who has been appointed as Punjab National Bank's first ever female brand ambassador in December 2025? Correct answer is option B, Harmanpreet Kaur. Who has been appointed as the new executive chairman of NALSA in November 2025? Correct answer is option A, Justice Vikram Nath. Who has been appointed as the first woman Vice Chancellor of Nagpur University in 2025? Correct answer is option D, Manali Makarand Chirsagar. Who has taken charge as 35th Director General of the National Cadet Corps? Correct answer is option C, Lieutenant General Virendra Vats. Who has taken charge as the new Director General of Indian Air Force Inspection and Safety on 1st December 2025? Correct answer is option D, Air Marshal Tejbir Singh. Who has been appointed as a whole-time member of SEBI in November 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sandeep Pradhan. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Bureau of Indian Standards in November 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sanjay Garg. Who has been appointed as the new Controller General of Defense Accounts? Correct answer is option B, Vishwajit Sahai. Who assumed charge as Financial Advisor of Defense Services on November 1st, 2025? Correct answer is option A, Rajkumar Arora. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025? Correct answer is option A, Shubhanshu Shukla. Which Indian cricketer has been appointed as the official brand ambassador for the ICC T20 World Cup 2026? Correct answer is option B, Rohit Sharma. Who has assumed the role of president of ASSOCHAM on 17th October 2025? Correct answer is option B, Nirmal Kumar Minda. Who was appointed as the brand ambassador for World Para Athletic Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, Kangana Ranaut. Who took oath as the 15th Vice President of India? Correct answer is option A, C.P. Radhakrishnan. Who has been elected as the new president of BCCI? Correct answer is option B, Mithun Manhas. Who was appointed as the Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India in October 2025? Correct answer is option B, Shirish Chandra Murmu. Who assumed charge as the new Director General of the Central Industrial Security Force? Correct answer is option B, Praveer Ranjan. Who has been appointed as the new Controller General of Accounts? Correct answer is option B, TCA Kalyani. Who has been appointed as the new Secretary to the Vice President CP Radhakrishnan? Correct answer is option B, Amit Khare. Who has been appointed as the new President of FICCI? Correct answer is option C, Anant Goyanka. Who assumed charge as the first woman Director General of the Railway Protection Force in August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sonali Mishra. Who has been appointed as the new director of the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center? Correct answer is option C, Dr. A. Rajarajan. Who took charge as the 47th Vice Chief of the Naval Staff in August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Vice Admiral Sanjay Vatsayan. Who has been appointed as the Executive Director of the International Monetary Fund? Correct answer is option A, Urjit Patel. Who has taken charge as the new Chief of Research and Analysis Wing? Correct answer is option A, Parag Jain. Who has been appointed as the new Chairman of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India? Correct answer is option A, Ajay Seth. Who was appointed as the India's first ever mental health ambassador by the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare? Correct answer is option B, Deepika Padukone. Who has taken charge as the new chairman of UPSC in May 2025? Correct answer is option A, Dr. Ajay Kumar. Who has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of the International Cricket Council? Correct answer is option B, Sanjog Gupta. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Sashastra Seema Bal? Correct answer is option B, Sanjay Singhal. Who took charge as the Vice Chief of Army Staff in August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Lieutenant General Pushpendra Singh. Who became the first woman officer to serve as an aide-de-camp to the President of India? Correct answer is option C, Lieutenant Commander Yashashvi Solanki. Who has been appointed as the Secretary of the Department of Revenue in the Ministry of Finance? Correct answer is option B, Arvind Srivastav. Who was appointed as MD and CEO of Life Insurance Corporation of India? Correct answer is option B, R. Doraiswamy. Who has been appointed as the new Controller General of Communications Accounts in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Vandana Gupta. Who has been appointed as the new Director of Botanical Survey of India? Correct answer is option C, Dr. Kanad Das. Who has taken charge as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner of India? Correct answer is option D, Gyanesh Kumar. Who has been appointed as the new Chairman of the Securities and Exchange Board of India? Correct answer is option C, Tuhin Kant Pandey. Who has been reappointed as the Attorney General of India? Correct answer is option C, R. Venkatramani. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Indo-Tibetan Border Police? The question number second is, who assumed charge as Financial Advisor of Defense Services on 1st November 2025? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.